Hello, welcome back to the Tech Guy. And it's new. I also have a great content for you guys. So if you are new to this channel, kindly give a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up and also subscribe. Yeah. So today I'll be talking about how you are going to bypass AI detection tools. Yeah, how to bypass AI detection tools. So if you're a student and you are thinking of using ChatGPT for your research work, then you must watch this video. Or if you're a content creator, then you are thinking of using ChatGPT for your content on your blog or website, then kindly watch this content. Yeah. So I'll be talking about two tools. To help you bypass AI detection. Yeah. So let's go and let's see how this is done. Hello, so I'll be talking about the two tools that you can use to bypass AI detection. So if you're a student and you are doing your project and you are thinking of using ChatGPT for your project, now I advise you to watch this video because it will be very useful. And if you're a content creator, anything or anyone who uses ChatGPT or AI for their works, so if you write posts on your website with ChatGPT, now I advise you to watch this video. Yeah, as you know, for students, lecturers now uses AI detection tool. Yeah, the app that they use is Turnitin. Yeah, Turnitin. And with Turnitin, now they can check for AI detection. So be careful when using AI. But with this video, you bypass that. Okay, so as I said, we're talking about two tools, and let's get straight into it. So the first website that I'll be talking about is Quillbot. Yeah, and I know most of you are familiar with Quillbot. Yeah, the first one I'll be talking about is Quillbot. Yeah, so with Quillbot, you'll be able to paraphrase the work that ChatGPT will produce to you. So you just have to copy the content and paste it in here, then paraphrase it. So Quillbot will rewrite it for you. Yeah, then you are good to go. Yeah, but one thing about Quillbot that you guys might know is that sometimes Quillbot changes some technicalities, some technical words, and that's not advisable. So when always Quillbot paraphrases, make sure to read through and make sure everything is okay. So that's for the first bypassing tool for AI detection. So that's Quillbot. And the second one is Undetectable.Ai. I discussed this in my first video on how to check for AI content. So Undetectable.Ai. So that's the website, Undetectable.Ai. Yeah, and with this, as you can see, the interface is very simple. You just have to paste your content in here, and you select the humanized type. So select the humanized type, and your work will be humanized. So your work will be humanized. Yeah. So with this, no AI detection tool get you in trouble. So don't forget to use these tools, and I'll be coming up with more videos on this AI thing. And my next video will be about how to get some details for Turnitin, so that you also can also check for plagiarism and all the stuff on your research work. Yeah, so don't forget hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, and also like the video, and also give some sweet comment. Okay, so see you next time.